students, now in this session we'll continue with exercise 9.1 chapter rational number from sum number 2 and sum number 3. Today I will explain sum number 2 and sum number 3 of exercise 9.1. Now in question number 2 we have write 4 more rational number. Already they have given some of the rational number. Now we have to write 4 more rational number related to this particular sequence that they have given. Now the first thing that you have to understand the sequence first. You see the first rational number is minus 3 by 5. The second one is minus 6 upon 10. Third one minus 9 upon 15. Then minus 12 upon 20. So we have to understand how the rational numbers are proceeding. Fine. So I will just make you understand this one. See, the first fraction is moving like this. Both the numerator and the denominators are multiplied by 1. Now second, again this particular rational number is multiplied by 2. Carefully observe. See, minus 3 ones are minus 3. Excuse me, 5 ones are 5. Now if I will take this fraction again, this rational number again, and multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 2, so you will see you will get this one. Minus 3 into minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 5 into 2 is 10, isn't it? So what will be the next one? That would be minus 3 into 3 by 5 into, not minus 5 here, 5 into 3. So again you will see minus 3 into 3 is what? Minus 9, and 5 into 3, 15. So next one would be, again this particular rational number will be multiplied by 4 to both the numerator and the denominator. So you will get this one. Minus 3 into 4 is 12, and 5 into 4 is 20. So up till here it is given. So you have to write more 4 rational number. Fine. So you will write required 4 more rational numbers are, okay, what was the first one? That is after 4, with which digit we have to multiply now? With 5. Absolutely right. That is minus 3 into 5 by 5 into 5. This would be the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth rational number. Fine. Now what will be the sixth rational number? Minus 3 into 6 by 5 into 6. Now seventh one, minus 3 into 7 by 5 into 7. And the eighth one, which will be the last one according to the requirement, that is minus 3 into 8 upon 5 into 8. So what is the proper rational number that we get? Minus 3 into 5 is what? Minus 15 by 25. Minus 6 into minus 3 into 6 is minus 18. Minus 5 into 6 is 30. Minus 3 into 7 will get minus 21. 5 7s are 35. Minus 3 into 8 is minus 24. 5 into 8 is 40. So these are the required 4 rational number. Fine, students. So let's move on to sum number 2. The sum number 2 is again what it is given: minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12, and more 4 rational numbers we have to write. Now first of all we have to understand the sequence again, which is very important. That is, you see the sequence is proceeding like this. That is minus 1, both the numerator and the denominator is multiplied by 1. The second rational number is coming. If you multiply this numerator and denominator with 2, then you will get this one. That means minus 1 into 2, 4 into 2. I hope you can observe this. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, and 4 2s are 8. See, so the third rational number, how we'll get? We have to multiply this rational number with 3 to both the numerator and the denominator. That is minus 4 into 3 upon 4 into 3. Okay, that means minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Now the rest 4 rational number. Now the next 4 rational number we have to write. So you will write required next 4 rational number are, that would be what? And we have multiplied this fractional number with 3, isn't it? The next row will be minus 4. We will have to multiply with 4. That is, yes, 4. So this is the fourth rational number. Now fifth rational number will be what? We have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 5. Sixth rational number, that means we have to multiply with 6 this time. And the seventh one would be, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 7 with 7. Now we'll get the proper rational number, but minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, 4 4s are 16. Minus 5 into 5 is minus 5, 4 into 5 is 20. Minus 1 into 6 is minus 6, 4 into 6 is 24. Minus 1 into 7, minus 7, 4 7s are 28. So these are the next 4 rational numbers. Okay? So we'll put it inside the box only. Okay? Now let's move on to sum number 3. Sum number 3 is more or less same only, students. So I will make you understand how exactly the rational numbers are proceeding. Now, see, the first rational number is what? Both the numerator and the denominators have been multiplied by 1. Second rational number is how we are getting? With this rational number, both the numerator and the denominator is multiplied by 2. So I guess you have understood, all of you. Now third rational number, how we get? Minus 1 into 3 by 6 into 3. The fourth rational number, how we are getting? That is minus 1 into 4 by 6 into 4. Okay. Now this is how exactly the sequence is increasing. Now the next 4 rational number would be what? I hope all of you have understood. So we will write required next 4 rational numbers. Next 4 rational numbers. Okay, that means we have ended here 4. Now we have to multiply with 5. 1 minus 1 into 5 upon 6 into 5. Now next one will be minus 1 into 6 by 6 into 6. Then minus 1 into 7 by 6 into 7. Then minus 1 into 8, 6 into 8. As easy as this. All the numbers are carrying the same type of sequence. Okay, so minus 1 into 5 would be minus 5 upon 30. Now this would be minus 6 upon 36. Minus 7 upon 42. Then minus 8 upon 48. So this are the next 4 rational number. Fine. Sum number 4 would be your homework. Okay, students. Now let's move on to sum number 3. Question number 3 we have, give 4 rational number equivalent to the 3 sums are given. So today I will explain only 2 sums. The sum number 3 would be your homework. These are very easy. Now what is the equivalent? Equivalent means that no matter, let me just give you one example. Now suppose if I have to write an equivalent fraction, that is a 4 equivalent fraction of this one. So what we have to do? Minus 2 by 7, I have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 2. So this will come what? 4 upon 14. Now carefully observe that if I am multiplying this with 2, what is the answer we are getting? Minus 4 by 14. But if I reduce it, then again we will get the same thing, isn't it? We will get the same thing, that is minus 2 by 7. So this all rational numbers are equivalent to minus 2 by 7, as because after reducing every time you will get this rational number only. So this minus 4 by 14 is equivalent to minus 2 by 7 only. Okay. So this is the first equivalent fraction. Now we'll find the next equivalent fraction. For that we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So that will be 6 and 21. So you see, again if you reduce this to numerator and denominator, you will again get to minus 2 by 7 only. So these are all 2 by 7. Okay, these are all 2 by 7 only. So these all rational numbers are equivalent to minus 2 by 7 only. Fine. So next rational number would be 4 upon 4. That means minus 8 upon 28. As because we have to find 4 rational number equivalent to this one. So we have only found the 3 rational number. Now let's go for the last one. That is, we have to multiply by 5. That will be minus 10 upon 35. So these are the equivalent fraction of minus 2 by 7. Okay, so now let's do sum number 2. Same way we'll do it, same way. Okay, so now we'll go for sum number 2. Now in sum number 2 we have 5 by minus 3. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 2. So we'll start with 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Depends how many rational numbers they have asked. Okay, so minus 10 and minus 6. See, if you reduce this, you will again get minus 5 by 3 only. So 5 by minus 3, the next rational number would be, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. That would be 15 upon minus 9. Next rational number would be, you have to multiply the required rational number with 4. That means 20 upon minus 12. And then 5 by minus 3 into 5 upon 5. That will give you 25 upon minus 15. So these are all the equivalent fraction to this rational number. That is 5 by minus 3. Okay? And sum number 3, students, is your homework. Fine? Thank you so much. God bless you all and take care, everyone.